Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about the topic how to gain fluency in English language. I'm sure you must have watched a lot of videos and gained some tips on how you can improve your fluency of spoken English. But how much have you been following? I know it's very easy to watch a video, but in order to apply it in your daily life is a task on its own. So, my only suggestion is if you want to gain fluency in this language, all you have to do is practice. You need a lot of practice, that too consistently. So, try and dedicate at least 15 to 20 minutes of your day for this language, especially for speaking, if that is your goal. So, the next question that arises is whom should you talk to? Yes, I hear this complaint a lot that we do not have a speaking environment at home. So, who do we talk to in English? Trust me, even if you have a speaking environment at home, how much can you even talk to your husband, your wife, or your kids? You cannot have a long conversation, right? Unless they are also equally interested in learning this language. So I would always recommend talk to co-learners or talk to people who you believe are at a level higher than you in their spoken English skills. In this era of YouTube and internet, I'm very sure if you're watching my video, you must have watched a lot of videos of other learners who do a lot of English conversations and put out the content on YouTube for you to watch and learn. So, my recommendation is try and contact these learners, have a conversation with them. So, if you can have a regular speaking practice. But I would say you talk to someone who you believe is at a higher level than you. In that case, you can get tips and tricks from them and you can learn better English. Alternatively, if you find that my English skills is good and you can benefit by having a conversation with me, you can leave me an email. My ID is in the description box. So I want to mention here that I am not qualified to teach English. What all I have learned is only due to the exposure that I've received. So if you really wish to talk to me, you can send me an email. So other than that, I would wish you all the very best. And if you are still only in your thoughts that you wish to learn English, I would request you to put it into practice and start practicing spoken English as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back with more English content. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.